If you are using the iTerm2 terminal on a Mac with the PowerLevel10K theme on oh-my-zh, and you want to know how to change the background color and don't want to sit through an hour of video or read paragraphs upon paragraphs of documentation, I'm going to show you how to change this. In a typical oh-my-zh PowerLevel10K installation on the Mac in iTerm2, the configuration file for PowerLevel10K will be in your home directory. In my case, it is, and just to verify that, there's the path. Now, there are multiple ways you can edit this file, which you will need to do in order to change the background and/or foreground color for your directories. You can certainly use Vim. You can use NeoVim, which I have installed on my computer, and it looks something like this. Oh, by the way, because I am in the same directory as the file, I can open that file like this. But if you're not in the same directory as the configuration file, and you're not sure where the config file is located for whatever reason, what you could do is use the tilde operator. P10. Okay. Let's get rid of that. I think the easiest way is to use VS Code. And you can open up using VS Code, using the code. Okay. Now you will need to set up this feature in your VS Code IDE. There's plenty of tutorial out there on how to do this. If you need my help, just put it in a comment and I will personally try to help you. Okay, so if I open up the PowerLevel10K configuration file in my VS Code, and just to save us some time, as you can see in the comment here, it says current directory background. So let's say I want to change this to a lighter color. Okay, let's go with 033, save, and I need to source, right? You can either run the source command here, or you have to restart the terminal. As you can see there, it changed the background change. All right. Now, the better question is, how the heck do I know what colors I have? So the fastest way for me to help you with this is to show you how to run this command in the terminal. It's basically a for loop to see what colors based on the RGB value is available for your terminal on your machine. Okay, all this is a basic for loop. Now I will paste this command in the description. You can run it on your machine to get what colors are available. So this is the RGB numerical value for what colors are available on your Mac. And I currently have 033, and that is the equivalent of this color here. Okay, and it's the same for the foreground. Okay, let me see what else I need to tell you. If you have not updated your PowerLevel10K theme in a while, what you could do is update your PowerLevel10K theme. And so question is, how the heck do I update oh-my-zh PowerLevel10K? Well, it just so happens that the documentation tell you how to do that. In my case, because I am running oh-my-zh, I'm using this command here to update my PowerLevel10K. Now, if you're brand new to oh-my-zh and you updated your oh-my-zsh PowerLevel10K not too long ago, this isn't your issue, right? But if you've been running oh-my-zsh for a while and you haven't updated, it might behoove you to run this command if you're getting some sort of weird error. Now, keep in mind that since oh-my-zsh is an open project, sort of open project, and it's run by one person, that's Roman, sometimes things get pushed into the repo that can cause inadvertent mistakes. It can cause weird errors or weird warnings. So keep that in mind. Okay. So anyhow, I will post the command and the description along with the link to how to update your PowerLevel10K. But if you're brand new to oh-my-zsh PowerLevel10K theme, that's not gonna be an issue. Okay, so once again, let's go to this step. Okay, you need to open up your PowerLevel10K configuration file. In my case, it's located in my home directory. Okay, now this L command here, that's an alias for the Linux command os-la, okay, to show you all of this detail in this directory, including the hidden files. And once again, you can either use Vim, NeoVim, or code, and that command for the PowerLevel10K configuration file. Okay, if you find this useful, please let other people know about this video who are struggling with the same issue, and consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber. Thanks for watching. See you next time.